Ayalama bongun koto magola narkangin kwa na ilo sakonye kedi Iyemuto. Atukot na ka Lions Club koibuga soroti nesi akora kisomero itabon Luisi siana kinere sisia kanu aitojokara shomani na atinen kwana. Imoriar tosi somero ilu Horizon Institute umkat soroti Bethany Girls Keda Ateso College Aloet. Alfred Atwau Kaidules.
Community Integrated Development Initiative Siri ngese ekopa acholo Ediope aipanyi na ichwera gasia na comaternity ailo setano akani ka icheboro dalu edoli ekechetia imilo na kwata kedi tomon koduktete adex na ko ngariam kodi sukta kalo katakwi iborolo ngesopani ikopa kina ineja engarolo ne ka yatoso makakotem kalo ngariam
to hand over these facilities meters here, and we are requesting you keep them, maintain them, use them appropriately so that we can keep diseases away.
Kotoma ekopario kana Rose Mwambazi Mubiru na epolokite project lo kosidi ngesi abala ebe ejai kwana adex nako ngariam era ina idaroro ikwape alopeti borolu adukokin adekisna.
This certificate is to be awarded to the Health Unit Management Committee of Ngariam Health Center 3 to acknowledge completion of project implementation by Siri under the Ateso project, and to officially commission use of the 7 stars all-inclusive VIP toilet, incinerator, placenta pit, washer lot, and the 16,000 liter rainwater harvesting tank.
We have been able to commission a placenta pit, an incinerator, a 7 stars all-inclusive VIP latrine, a 16,000 rainwater harvesting tank, and the washer lot facility.
Akirano kesopoto yauto yalam ne ejas itunga luko ngariam. Lodumnete agangan ka amukian kotoma adekiskana.
Siya kitwania ya unatapu ngini nego ngasi kede mateni. Nare ni do na beru. Mame be ni pere anyo unane pakagile gaunberi akituna pide. Na saya marongo no.
Arii do solo awasane ide kayora iperi ane pano jutore kokole mune muogo nyama Arii. Gonya jola kisoda Siri.
So Ngariam ane ageon 2012 ageon anga asomune. Iraja iboka jerkan tono gilo ayauna kipi aitalanyo adekis.
Ikotakiro nenda agirgira na ngale ukotem kalo ngariam Christine Ogwel ngesi obu otema ebe iluari toilem ngese bakbakito o kanslo kanu iboro kalu aduko kikesi Sidi.
Iyala meka taunoi anona arai adomadekis iboro lema utarenge nera ngini pako council.
Right with us here, but because of sometimes a large number with the community, we are forced to share with the community the same borehole. But it is our request that if possible, CD will still go and lobby and enable us to motorize the borehole so that this okay, when the borehole is motorized, it means that the water can reach to the access points and it reduces congestion at the borehole itself.
Fulgencio Juko Peleona Neriongetelo Ikotakiro nenda ngesi obu ichora kitunga aidari borolu ada erionget adukokin adekisna.
You are trying to maintain the facilities that we put about 2-3 years back. We would like that they continue to serve you and that they are well maintained and that they are reducing disease, and that this doctor is out of work because the diseases have gone.
Kanuka TV East, Francis Ochen, Kodi Sutakalo Katakwi. Kanuka Eto Prodio, Francis Ochen, Kodi Sutakalo Katakwi.
Kwana Erex Berenu Koli Swamaona Kotoma Park Kana Lolo.
Olap Otikoik arasia kesera nukanyare okare lukumte Ediope akwata kanyangon keda kesekenyu nukanyape atunga talo adolita de para kwata kan kese apotu idi aroso ya peslo kanslo lo Soweto ongurianete noi kanwebe erusere kesi kanwa akero nukamana na keda ipagis togoi
Arasingunu Koli Swamaona Kotoma Pakiana kwana Iyemuto ber Siri kunya kawae.